that lever on the door. So not yet though. Not yet.
Let me take it back. He felt so let's try one more.
Wait till I say go. Okay, you're okay. You're okay. Hey Vince, shoulders back.
Put your
The camera, speed, and action.
Alright, so same thing, move this forward now, all the way to the end.
Oh, what are you guys doing?
Hold it
No,
right
Candace, stop. No.
You said, stop. You know what, we're just gonna stop.
I don't know what that means. Hold on, Vince.
Oh.
What? No, he's doing over there. Vince, shoulder, I gotta get that thing.
I'm holding the stop.
Yeah, Vince, everyone just stay in your seats. Sorry,
guys?
it's like a mechanical thing, so hold on,
You
Vince.
guys, you need to turn him around.
We got him, yeah.
I need to Okay, let me try manual option.
Yeah, I'm so sorry, Vince. I'm right here.
Okay, I'm gonna bring it down. It's okay, it's okay.
All the way down. You okay?
Okay.
Everybody, let's give Vince a big round of applause.
Wait a minute, wait. Okay, let me try an alternate. Oh yeah, let me try to reprogram. Let me see
Oh, we
if
got him.
this
No, we got him.
is...
Yeah, he's good. Good job. Yeah, Vince, the center will stop you when you get as low as you can to the stage.
Oh,
Yeah, let go when you can.
okay, I'm gonna set it down.
Everybody,
And
let's give Vince a big applause.
Okay, you know what? We have
All right, now he's out of track. Now let's give Vince and Candace a big old round of applause.
I think he's alright. Special effects are by believing everything is real.
Here on the special effects stage, you can never believe your eyes.